I would like to ask if you could talk about self-appreciation in the
You're so good. You're so good. He's so good. Oh, that's not self-appreciation. That's asking for someone else to tell you how good you are. Well, self-appreciation feels like clarity. Self-appreciation feels like joy. In other words, let's talk about appreciation. Appreciation in a fiscal sense. What does it mean? More adding to it, more value added. So appreciation in this way is not so different from that. It's all about momentum, isn't it? So as you look for positive aspects in anything, it causes you to allow that current, that non-physical source, that energy that creates worlds to flow through you. So what the basis of pure self-appreciation is an open valve through which you are flowing the energy that creates worlds toward endless subjects. So the more things that you can find that you like or that you appreciate, and the longer you are able to sustain your pattern of appreciation, then the more of that energy flows until it's like developing a muscle. It just becomes easy to hold yourself there in that state of appreciation. The basis of self-appreciation. Well, your state of being is what it is. And we talked about, did you hear us as we were talking about that source energy part of you who exists even though you're in your physical body? So an utter state of appreciation is when the thought you are thinking right now about whatever it is you're thinking about matches the thought that the source within you is thinking right now. Here's the part about what you're thinking about. Ooh. This is important to understand. Source isn't thinking thoughts trying to get you to come and think those thoughts, because you're the creator of your reality. But source is thinking about the thing you're thinking about with a point of view that doesn't have any resistance in it. We haven't said that to you before in that clear way. Did you hear it? Source is interested in what you are thinking about. That's why we were playing with our friend. We're right there with you. The things that matter to you, we're there focused. We know who you are, who you really are. We know where you want to be in terms of manifestation. We know where you are in relationship to all of that. And we are focusing in the direction of what you want all of the time, you see. And when you deviate from it, you feel the discord in that. So appreciation, the ultimate appreciation. And appreciation is the ultimate state of non-resistance. The basis of appreciation is a vibrational frequency that holds no resistance. And true self-appreciation just means you've practiced it until it's easy to be there. We watch so many people who are, you're harder on yourself than you are on anyone else. It's easy for you to appreciate the beautiful day or the cute kittens in the Whack-A kitten box. It's easy for you to appreciate just about everything. It's harder for you to appreciate yourself usually because you've practiced not appreciating yourself, usually because there have been people who have not understood this, who have wanted to feel better sincerely, who have watched you doing things that made them not feel good and then have made you believe that you need to do something different so that they can feel good. So we could talk a lot, and there's no value in it, about how you get to not appreciating self. The important thing is how to pick up the mantle of that and begin to appreciating self. And what we notice is just practice appreciating anything. Appreciate that and appreciate that and appreciate that and appreciate that and occasionally appreciate that and then appreciate that and 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 occasionally appreciate that and that and that and that and that and that, and you'll just get so in the rhythm of appreciation that before you know it, because what makes you not appreciate that self? You're really going to like this. I haven't said this before, and it's right here out on this leading edge with all of us. The reason that you haven't been appreciating self is because you have had split energy that doesn't allow you to feel that way. In other words, it's hard to appreciate yourself when you don't feel good. So appreciation isn't something that you do, it's something that you are. Appreciation is a state of vibrational relationship. So it's not an action, it's a result of focus. So let's stay there for a little bit, because doesn't it feel like it's something I should do? I should go to the grocery store, I should get gas, and I should appreciate. And what appreciation is the feeling of vibrational relationship between what source feels about whatever it is I'm thinking about and what I feel. What I feel is about those different frequencies. So if I am practicing alignment with source on every subject that is active within me, then I'm absent of the gap, I'm absent of resistance, I'm in the presence of that vibration, and the result of that is I feel what I'm wanting to call appreciation. We like to call love and appreciation identical frequencies.
Makes sense.
It's easier for you to appreciate the word appreciate than it is to appreciate the word love, because love has a lot of tangled pieces for many of you. So did we get there for you?
Yes, absolutely.
Appreciate. I want to feel appreciation. I want to feel complete alignment with the source within me. I want to feel appreciation. I want to feel clarity. Appreciation, clarity, same state of being.
Right.
I want to appreciate. I want to love, same vibrational state of being. I want to focus my mind in a way. I want to say it better. I can say that better. I can say that better. I love living in this country. I wish the Democrats and Republicans would get their acts together. I could say that better. I dream of the day. Would you write that in your letter? I dream of the day that they will get along. I can say that better. I love this nation. I could say that better. I love living here. I could say that better. I love being who I am. I could say that better. I love focusing my world into reality. I love practicing a vibration that makes it easy for me to find the positive aspects in everything. I look forward to finding the positive aspects in the political parties. I can say that better. I love finding appreciation in everything. I look forward to finding things to appreciate in the political system. I can say that better. I love appreciating. I'm so looking forward to the day when they all get along. I can say that better. I'm so looking forward to the day when I don't care whether they get along or not. I can say it better. What they do has nothing to do with me. I can say it better. I create my own reality. I can say it better. I'm entertained by what I see out in the world. I'm entertained by what I see out in the world. I can say it better. I love what I see out in the world. I can say it better. The world is such a lovely place to see. I can say it better. I'm really good at focusing out into the world. I can say it better. The world does not need to stand on its head for me, because I have the ability to focus in a way that I can stand in a vibration of appreciation no matter what's going on. It's hard to say it better than that. When you get there, you see, that's what you're reaching for.
Wonderful.
So it's not appreciation you're reaching for, it's alignment that you're reaching for. And you can call that alignment, that absence of resistance, lots of different things. It is love, it is clarity, it is empowerment, it is self-realization, it is fulfilling my purpose, it is uplifting, it is well-being. Really good conversation.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.